All right, here we go. We're going to go take this beautiful 2001 X5 on a test drive. Current miles are at 37,459. Nice and quiet in the cabin. Turn the air down a little bit. Nice and cool in here. It's beautiful 80-degree southwestern Missouri day. All right, here we go. Transmission shifts well, super smooth, no kicks. Exceptionally comfortable for a 2001. I was actually very impressed with these cars. I bought a blue one prior to this one and just kind of became an enthusiast overnight. Suspension feels great, steering's nice and tight, no play, wandering, anything like that. It's very responsive. It feels like exactly how it should feel. Growing up, I always drove like American cars, never had any European cars till I was an adult. Just such a different experience. It's just night and day on how much nicer it is to drive one of these versus just your basic American trucks or SUVs of a similar era. So make a great daily driver. Turn down the wrong road. It feels like a 37,000 mile car, like a 2022.